Hey there! You've just opened Photoshop and found out the Generative Fill option is completely grayed out and isn't working? That's super frustrating. Well, stop stressing. In this video, I'll show you a simple fix that will get this amazing AI tool back up and fully functional in just a few clicks. You're ready to unlock that AI magic. Subscribe and let's dive in. Before you panic or question your Photoshop skills, understand that this common issue usually boils down to these three main factors. 1. The cloud connection, account status, and internet dependency. 2. The layer labyrinth, incorrect layer type or selection. 3. The software state, outdated Photoshop version. Let's demystify these hurdles and get you back to creating. First of all, make sure you are connected to the internet. Go to the Adobe official website and download the Creative Cloud Desktop app. I have placed the link inside the description. Run the installation and wait patiently until it's completed. This process may be fast or slow depending on your internet speed, so take note of that. After doing so, ensure you're logged into Creative Cloud with your subscribed Adobe ID or create a new one if you don't have one already. Navigate to the Apps section and relaunch the program. From the top menu, go to Window and turn on the contextual taskbar, as you can see from my screen. Import a photo or just create a blank canvas. From the Tools panel, grab any of the selection tools and ensure you're selecting something from the canvas, like so. As you can see, now the Generative Fill is fully functional. Just enter your prompt and get back to creating with the power of AI at your fingertips. Happy editing! Smash that subscribe button below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps me make more tutorials just like this one. Stay tuned.